this one's going to have a single push button on the turn signal stock because I didn't want to put anything in the floor. You buy this, and then this wires the headlight switch and the headlights. And then this needs battery power, but there's a battery power terminal on the switch, so I can run that to that. And then the dimmer switch is in the in the steering column, that goes on later. Headlight switch goes to this switch. And then low beam and high beam coming out would tie into the Painless wiring system. By accident, I left enough space right here. That's going to interfere with my vent. Let me get it. Hold on. This went right. Son of a bitch. That's fine. Gotta get a hose in there. Dang it! So that means I have to put it on the other side, or I could raise it up maybe? Okay, so I can't put it there. But there is space on the other side. Ouch! Every time with the shifter, every time. Let me think about that. If I took this, I might like that. I really might. That'll keep it out of the way of my vent. That way my vent can come down, come up or down, and then tie in right here. So I am still hung up on dimmer switch. I don't know, it's complicated, right? So what I have here is the gauge wires. Because you need power to the lights. Never mind. You need, hey, where are my, alligator clips. Idiot. Right here, alligator clips. So if I use this, I need to run a jumper from the output side of the high beam for the little light on the dash, which isn't that hard, but there's already a light there, or there's a wire. I'm thinking and moving all at the same time. I know it's confusing, it's just me. So if I, yes, okay. Dimmer switch, headlight switch, low beam, high beam, ground, 12 volt. So I'm gonna mount this on the back side of this plate for room for the AC hose. But I need to mark my holes. And now everything is in my fucking way. This is a 10 by 32 drill slash tap. which comes in handy sometimes. I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong. I'm not taking this plate off. Then I have to take the dash off. I can do this. I've done it before. Ugh. I'll do 2. I'm not doing 4. Are you watching? Can you even see? I don't recommend doing that again. Ah! Okay. So sometimes you have to think about stuff. So here's what happens. All of this plugs into the light switch. So this is power out, except for this dimmer switch. We're not going to hook that up. So then this plugs into our box. This is power out from the box, except for the light dimmer switch. Those two don't get anything. So then we'll hook our power up to these, right? So I got power from battery. This is my dimmer switch. This is from headlight switch. This is ground, and then these are my 2 outputs. So my outputs for light switch go right here, or headlights. They hook up like this. So the power comes from the battery, flows through the switch to activate the lights. Then you hit the dimmer switch here and it does it. So, catastrophe averted. I'm gonna take a break. And then when we come back, I think we'll be able to hook all this up and get the light switch done. This needs to be tighter without scratching the paint. This needs to be tighter without scratching the paint. The headlight dimmer switch was just a loop for a single wire that ran from here to wherever. So I unclipped it and pulled it out. It's gone. And then I took this other bundle and kind of rebundled it, because this all goes to the headlight switch. So this one goes to tail lights. This one goes, this is power for instrument panel. And then this white one is a ground. And then these are powers and headlights and other stuffs. Tail lights, parking lights. I'm gonna bundle these together. And this purple are for my headlights. I could run them over here. And I could run these up to there. Like that. I think so. Okay. So these stay out of my way. That means I just need these. This one here. So green is high beam. Yellow is low beam. Green is high beam. Brown is low beam. Why are you touching me? Stop touching me! Get rid of this. Point 0.1 of an ohm resistance, that's not bad. I could probably clean that up a little bit. Oh, what's it, 8? It's a 10. It's a 9. It's a 3/8. Stupid fucking 3/8. Okay. So everything except the headlight switch. I mean the dimmer switch. So everything should function. I could check down here. Could I? No. Yes, but I don't want to. There's a whole accessory switch I haven't even touched yet, which comes on. I think it always has power. Are those going to touch my gauges? Ugh. Maybe. I can aim it down. Well, they'll bend out of the way. To accessory ignition power. Damn it! Instrument panel, instrument panel, instrument panel. This is to the steering column. Right? Brake light switch. Okay, I think that is enough for today. I will bring you in. Sorry. So this was my headlight stuff over here. This is for my dimmer switch on the column. That's so this needs to get done. This gets done. I don't know about radio yet. Before it's over, we're going to use magnetic zip tie holders. I used one under the truck already on my fuel pump wire. So it's like a 25-pound magnet. You stick it, it's got a slot in it. You run a zip tie through it. They're pretty cool. I'll probably use some on the firewall to keep those big runs straight as they go up. But that's all for today, this episode. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.